Tired of spending so much on hair products that only give poor results? Let's not forget all the bad chemicals in them that can damage your hair. Stop wasting money and try to make your own healthy DIY hair products at home. We're sharing 10 fantastic DIY recipes that cater to a variety of hair needs. Our personal favorites? Number 5 and 9. They work like magic to save and protect our hair. Let's go! Number 1. Anti-frizz hair serum. This is one of our favorite ones. To make this, just mix 5 drops of argan oil and 5 drops of jojoba oil in a mini spray bottle. Add 1 tablespoon of clean water and shake it up to create magic in a bottle. Spritz generously onto damp hair for a sleek, frizz-free finish. Why it works? Argan oil works its magic by taming frizz and adding irresistible shine, while jojoba oil deeply hydrates and protects your hair from damage. Spritz away! Number 2. Hair Growth Serum. Nourish your scalp with this powerful serum. Mix 2 tablespoons of castor oil with 10 drops of rosemary oil, 5 drops of peppermint oil, and 5 drops of tea tree essential oil. Stir thoroughly to create a nutrient-packed blend your hair will love. Massage it into your scalp, leave it overnight, and wake up to healthier, stronger hair. Why it works? Castor oil and rosemary oil supercharge hair growth and help strands grow longer and thicker. Peppermint oil boosts circulation, while tea tree oil keeps your scalp fresh, balanced, and ready for growth. Number 3. Split End Repair Serum. Okay, just to be clear, nothing can actually repair split ends. If your hair splits into 2, it's not going to glue back together. But we do have a magic trick that we use to make split ends less noticeable. What's that? Argan oil. Put 3 drops of organic argan oil in the palm of your hand, a bit of water on the other hand. Rub both hands together so the mix is dispersed evenly onto your hands. And now gently apply this to your ends. Let the magic do its trick. Want another magic potion to reduce split ends and also hydrates your hair? This next tip is for you. Number 4. Hydrating and Split Ends Repair Spray. We love using this once or twice a week to hydrate the scalp and hair. Plus, it can be used to hide split ends, so we love having it on hand. In a mini spray bottle, mix 5 drops of rosemary oil and 5 drops of peppermint oil with 3 tablespoons of clean water. Spritz away! Both rosemary and peppermint help increase blood circulation in the scalp and stimulate hair growth. You'll love how this spray hydrates your scalp, conceals your split ends, and makes your hair shine. Enjoying these tips? Spread love and hit that like button. It helps this video go out to more people that need help with their hair, all thanks to you. And get your free guide with amazing hair tips in the description below. Number 5. Nourishing Conditioner. Ready to ditch chemical conditioners? This one is an easy 2-step process. First, after washing your hair, use an oil rinse. You can use tea tree, rosemary, or lavender oil. How? Add 4 drops of your favorite oil in a bowl of 1 cup of water. Dip your hair into the bowl so that your ends can soak in the goodness, and then pour the rinse on top of your head. Do a quick rinse with water. Let your hair air dry a bit, and before pampering your hair with the next ingredient, make sure to give it a gentle detangle. This ensures that every strand gets the chance to shine with the VIP treatment. If you want to prevent hair breakage, especially when detangling your hair, you'll love TangleGenie. This magic detangler will seriously save your strands from damage thanks to its unique 360-degree bristle design. And the best part? It works great on damp hair.
Wow.
Say goodbye to tugging, pulling, and hair falling out. And say hello to detangling your precious strands while protecting your hair. Give it a try. Now that you're done detangling, you're ready for the final step. Use argan oil. Argan oil is the ultimate game changer that made us ditch conditioners. It's a hair miracle. Packed with vitamin E and antioxidants, it deeply moisturizes, repairs damage, and restores shine. It strengthens your hair from root to tip, tames frizz, and leaves your locks silky, soft, and smooth. Apply it on semi-damp hair to see its magic. Divide your hair into 4 sections. Put 2 or 3 drops of organic argan oil in the palm of your hand, a bit of water on the other hand. Rub both hands together so the mix is dispersed evenly on your hands. And now gently apply this to 1 section. Repeat this 3 more times to do all sections. Enjoy silky, smooth hair without all the chemicals from regular conditioners. If you want more detail on how to ditch conditioner and how argan oil transformed our hair completely, let us know in the comments below so we can cover this better in our upcoming videos. Number 6. Scalp Cleanser Rinse Treatment. This one is at the very top of our favorite ones. This is a rinse we love and know has helped so many get rid of an itchy scalp. Add 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar and 1 cup of clean water. Why it works? Apple cider vinegar is your scalp's hero. Packed with antibacterial and antifungal properties, it purifies your scalp by getting rid of excess oil, buildup, flakiness, itchiness, and dandruff to leave your scalp balanced and healthy. For oily hair, it reduces greasiness. For color-treated hair, it seals the hair cuticles, which prevents color from fading. For frizzy hair, it smooths and tames flyaways. Bonus for everyone, it adds shine to your hair. Number 7. Volumizing Dry Shampoo. Dry shampoo is like a secret hair weapon for on-the-go freshness and volume. When you notice oiliness at the roots, apply this one simple ingredient to absorb excess oil and refresh your hair. What is it? Organic rice flour. It's simple. Just use 1 or 2 tablespoons of organic rice flour, dab it into your hair, and voila! Rice flour absorbs oil within minutes, so leave it on and then just shake it off. This helped us tone down the greasiness in our scalp and ditch shampooing way too much. Number 8. Anti-Hair Loss and Hair Growth Serum. A study published in the Archives of Dermatology examined the effects of essential oils on patients with alopecia areata, a condition that causes hair loss. In this study, participants massaged a mixture of thyme, rosemary, lavender, cedarwood, and jojoba oils into their scalp daily for 7 months. 44% of the patients showed improvement in hair growth, compared to 15% in the controlled group who used a placebo oil blend. The results show that this natural blend not only helped reduce hair thinning but also boosted hair growth and thickness. If you're serious about fuller, healthier hair, this could be the game-changing serum you need. If you're getting good value so far from this video, we'd love for you to subscribe to the channel so that way you can get more great hair tips the next time we upload a video. Number 9. Color Protecting Spray. Blonde Lightning Boost. This is a personal favorite to hydrate the hair and eliminate brassiness, so that colored blonde hair stays bright and vibrant. It works so well, this actually replaces purple shampoo for us. In a mini spray bottle, mix 7 drops of rosemary oil and 7 drops of peppermint oil with 3 tablespoons of clean water. Shake well and spritz away. While this works like magic to keep our color blonde hair looking fresh and vibrant, remember that every head of hair is unique. It's important for you to test and see how your hair reacts. For example, based on our experience, using tea tree oil on its own can leave a yellow or brassy tone, but following it up with argan oil brings blonde hair back to that gorgeous, cool-toned brilliance. This is just our personal take, so feel free to experiment and find the perfect combination that works for you. Your hair, your rules. Number 10. Strengthening Hair Mask. Give your hair a serious boost with this nourishing egg mask. Mash 1 ripe banana and mix it with 2 eggs and 1 tablespoon of olive oil until smooth. Apply generously to damp hair, focusing on the ends, and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Why it works? Eggs are packed with protein and biotin, strengthening hair strands and promoting growth. Olive oil hydrates, adding softness and shine, while bananas are rich in vitamins and potassium, helping to strengthen and prevent breakage. The result? A perfect treatment for stronger, healthier hair. But before you go ahead and start massaging your scalp, don't risk your precious locks. The wrong moves could lead to damage or even hair loss. Check out this video right here to discover what not to do and the best techniques to use for you to maximize your hair growth. We'll see you there. Happy, healthy hair journey!